Accessibility tips. To enable auto voicing of the text, please first configure the speech synthesis settings on your computer according to these instructions. Back to the game, you may press the V key to switch on auto voicing. Adjust the volume of music and sound effects on the settings screen. Press escape to access. Okay, I got it. That's enough. There's more. This game Learn to Code RPG is currently in beta. If you notice any bugs or have suggestions about accessibility, the interface, the story, or anything at all, please report them on our GitHub repo. If you're enjoying this game, please... Okay, I'll do all that. I gotta see if the game's good first. Oh. Hola. It's a bit loud. Let me turn it down. Don't wanna get hit with a copyright. I'm so right. Flow precise. You can tell by my eyes. Yeah.
Stop it. Get some help.
New game. Hi there. Thanks for applying to our software engineering role. We've reviewed your resume, and as a first step in our recruiting process, we'd like to invite you to complete an online assessment. Oh my gosh, that's just like Indeed. Guess I have no other options. Let's start. We'll start whenever you're ready. Okay, let me get prepared. I gotta drink some aqua, some water. You gotta stay hydrated. Alright, I'm ready. I said I'm ready. What do I click? Okay. First question. How do you prove that P equals NP in one? What? Wait! It's so fast! What the hell, man? Anyway, second question. Banana nuts? I don't know. Wow. That was bullcrap. Phew, looks like I survived the technical questions. Now let's fill in the general information. What's your name? What's my name? Okay. My name is...
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Randy. Let's go with Randy. Even though my name is not Randy. Hit enter. Okay. How did you hear about this opportunity? Job posting website? Cool, we're glad that you're here. Would you like to opt in to our recruiting email list? Sure, why not?
If you have something that's going on in your life right now,
So we're gonna start our coding journey. Using Java, Python. This is our character, Randy. Even though it's a girl. I mean, yeah, it's a girl, because I see that little... That was exhausting. There's no doubt that I bombed the questions. Jeez. Coding interviews are hard. Oh, what the... I know how to fight, alright? Don't do that with the sound effects, but... Anyway, progressing. What made me think I could get a software job in the first place? I'm afraid to click. Okay, let's save. Okay, we did that. Return, because I don't know what to expect. This isn't supposed to be a scary game. Anyway, well, it all started some time ago when I first decided to learn to code and get a real job. About 3 months ago. Chapter 1. Let's learn to code. Whoa! They're playing some crazy music, man! Let's get to it. Let's get to coding. Guess what, man? I got my code ring.
I'm tired of you!
Let me read normally. I just graduated from college, but it's so hard to get a serious full-time job. I did apply to some consulting firms and banks, and I've heard back from none of them. It's not like I don't enjoy tutoring kids. I actually enjoy explaining concepts to others. I just need a full-time job that is more intellectually fulfilling. Better yet, if it pays more. Hey, Randy. Oh, hey, sorry I just spaced out for a bit. Do you have any more questions before we wrap up? Nope. I think my project report is good to go. Thanks. Good. I'll see you next week. Oh, sorry. Can we do the week after? Next? I just heard about a new class that teaches you how to code and build robots, and I need to check that out next week. Sure, no problemo. See you then. A notification from my phone? Must be something on social media. Let me check it. Looks like someone from my junior high school. I don't even remember who they are. What did they post to get this crazy number of likes? Oh wow. Should I leave a like or comment on their post? Let's leave a like. Okay. Alrighty. Let's do this. A bit of research won't hurt. Where shall we start? Maybe I should find some free online resources like everyone else is doing. Oh, here's a video about the top 10 tech skills worth learning in 2021. Let's check that out. I'll keep track of my progress on my phone. Okay, let's click on the phone. Alright, here goes nothing. Oh my gosh, the beat, man. I'm telling you, who made the beat? Yeah. This is Randy. So Java and JavaScript, so handy. Okay, let me stop. So this is a sanity meter, and this is our CS knowledge. Anyway, and there are print statements and print functions, which is for Python 2 and which is for Python 3. I remember one video saying that Python 2 is outdated. Does that mean that I don't have to learn it? Maybe I shouldn't even bother with learning Python 3. I don't know what you're talking about. Anyway, someone may just decide that Python 3 is too old-fashioned before I even get a chance to learn it. Java doesn't sound like a good idea either. It's really old. People nowadays are so hype about Kotlin. Did I say that right? Why is this company using their pet coding language that nobody else uses? I don't know what's going on. Here goes my phone at this early hour. Do I merit a personal rejection call from the neighborhood coffee shop before I even visit them? This is Anika. Randy! Anika, jeez. When was the last time you called me? When were we moving out after When we were moving out after graduation. Anyways, it's really nice to hear from you again. Same. How have you been? I've been okay, just new grad blues. You? Things are going pretty well for me. I just got a job offer. And like, it's not just any job, it's a web development job. Can you believe it? I get paid really well to build cool websites. It's almost like getting paid for being creative and doing art. Yeah, wow, congrats. Thanks. Hey Anika, how hard was it for you to learn to develop websites? I also tried to learn code for a while, but it got too hard, and I quit. I'm sorry to hear that, but you should give coding another try. Oh, sorry, I've been talking for a long time. I must be boring you with this tech talk stuff. No worries. It does look like you're doing something you enjoy. That must be really cool. I wish I could be like you. You totally can. Did I give you the link to the awesome resource that I've been using? It's called Free Co. That's a cool plug. Check that out. I can actually click on it. Thanks. Not now. Let's keep going. Anyways, what's your plan for the day? I need to check out the neighborhood coffee shop. Cool, let's catch up sometime and get coffee. Sure, chat laters. Yeah, let's save. Yeah, let's save. Let's save in the third slot. Thanks for entertaining your friendly save reminder. Now let's get back to our story. We're in a coffee shop now. This is a nice little coffee shop. Cozy looking. Even with the Photoshop filter. I know it's a Photoshop filter, but yeah, let's move on. I'm glad that this coffee shop happens to need a part-time barista. Now at the least I have some pocket money for necessities. This reminds me so much of college. I used to work part-time as a barista at the school library cafe as well. It was always nice to see my peers socializing and doing work at the cafe. An additional perk is that I get first-hand knowledge of interesting things happening on campus. That might also be true for this place. Looking around, I see quite a few people with their laptops. It's totally possible that some of them are working on the next $1 million startup. Jesus Christ, it's a whole lot of reading. Phew, it's been a long day at work. Let's check out the awesome resource that Annika was talking about. This? That sounds right. Let's check it out. I was listening. Wow, this curriculum is super comprehensive. They also offer certifications that I can showcase on my resume. Neat. What should I start with? Oh my god. Let's start at the beginning. What even is web design? And I'm not a design person. Will I be able to follow along? Maybe. Let's look some more. Let's try this. I remember hearing about JavaScript. Or wait, maybe that's Java. What are algorithms and data structures? That sounds like math, which is not my favorite subject. What other curriculum options do I have? We're just going down the list. Oh my gosh. Chapter 3, let's hit the books. Coding books. Sounds boring, but let's get to it. I'm finally home. Let's head over to developerquiz.org and try out some quiz questions. Alright, I'm ready. I don't know what to expect, but let's go. Let's get it. Anyway, looks like they even divided the questions into subcategories like HTML, CSS, JavaScript. This is our sanity meter. That's so funny, okay. Okay, let's give it a go. Should I study for a specific category or mix and match all categories? Let's choose a specific one. Oh, I don't know none of this stuff. I'm gonna go with this. Alright, let's go. Let's get it. First question. What is the name of the CSS grid property used to get the number and height of the rows? Number... Okay. This seems right. Grid template and columns. What is the name of the CSS grid property used to set the number and height of the rows? I'm gonna go with this. I'm wrong. Oh my gosh. This is the correct answer. Grid template rows. The grid template rows property is used to set the number and the height of the rows. Grid template rows. Let's move on. Second question. We're gonna fail all of this stuff, but we're learning as part of the experience, the learning experience. So what does the animation fill mode property do in the CSS? I don't know that. What does the animation fill mode? What is fill mode? I'm gonna go with this. Wrong. It is used to style the I would have never got that. What is the name of the CSS property used to position the grid inside the grid container along the y-axis? It's not this again, right? Ooh. I'm gonna go with align content. I got it right! I guessed it and I got it right. Oh my gosh. Yo. Last question. What does the animation duration property do in CSS? Animation duration. I'm gonna be logical about this one. I'm gonna go with this. And I got it right! I had to be logical about that one. That one made the most sense. So, you got half the questions right. What a day indeed. I think I did okay, but I do feel tired after a long day at work. We got half the questions right. So, overall, we did alright. Maybe it's best for my productivity if I take an entire day off to study. Let's give that a try tomorrow. Hey Mint, what's up? I don't feel like I'm learning much, but I'll check out those websites. Maybe I can learn coding. Maybe I could be a VTuber coder. We'll see. Anyway, yawn. Good morning to you too, Mint. Okay, let's grab a quick breakfast and jump into studying. Morning, Mom. Morning, Dad. Morning, Pumpkin. Yeah, I slept like a baby. I'm recharged for a new day. That's great. Let's start the morning with a nice family breakfast. Okay, breakfast done. Let's get to work. Hopefully I can get more questions correct today. Let's choose a specific topic. We're gonna go with general CS concepts. Actually, no, let's go with this one. HTML. First question. What is the syntax for creating a mail to link? What the hell is this? Yo! This is a different language. I don't know what this is. Okay, let me read it again. What is the syntax? What is the syntax, by the way? Anyway, what is Takis? I'm playing. What is the syntax for creating a mail to link? What is the mail to link? Huh. This doesn't look familiar. This one is a no automatically. A name. That feels like a no. It might be this or this. I feel like it's this. I got it right. I got it right. Awesome. Second question. What HTML element is a generic container for other HTML elements? I'm gonna go with this because I'm not familiar with any of this stuff. I got it wrong. Div. I never would have known that. Let's move on. Third question, halfway through. What is a character entity? Character entity. I'm gonna go with this one. I got it right. Awesome. Last question. Which HTML tag is used to create an image? Oh, that's easy. This one. This one. Booyah! Correct. So we got one wrong. We don't know a damn thing about coding, and we're killing it. That's about it for the morning. I feel like I'm much more productive if I can focus on one thing for an entire day. I feel you. I feel the same way. Anyway, let's alternate between working whole day shifts and spending whole days studying. I can call Anika this afternoon when she's done with her work. It'll be good to chat and ask her about things. I feel like we're doing a pretty good job at this learning stuff. If you ask me those questions again, I'll probably get it dead wrong, but anyway, let's move on. Hey Anika, is now a good time to talk? Hey Randy, now it's perfect. I just got back from work. How did your first day of studying go? I felt pretty productive today. It's nice how the quiz questions give you instant feedback. What about your day? How was work? It went well. I'm learning to use the custom web dev framework that my company uses. I don't know what the hell you're talking about. It's pretty different from what I've been using in my own projects, and a little confusing at times, but my colleagues say it gets better with practice. I wish I knew what you were talking about. That sounds like fun. Yeah, and I've heard good things about this framework. What is framework? Anyway, mostly from people I ran into at the local hackerspace. It looks like a popular tool for people who want to test out project. No, I clicked by mistake. I didn't get to read that. Okay, they're talking about hackathons. Hackerspace. Hello, Earth to Randy. Hello, Earth to Randy. No worries, I'm here. Just wondering about something. What is it? Hackathons? What is a hackathon? Okay. People usually form small teams to collaborate. It's especially cool when the team consists of people with different expertise, not just software engineers, but graphic designers and product managers as well. It's a great way to brainstorm, prototype, and test out ideas that might one day evolve into full-fledged products. That sounds pretty cool. Yeah, I've only been to one or two of those things, but my company has those seasonal innovation events that I'll be checking out soon. You should go to some hackathons as well. You'll learn to collaborate with other developers and even designers. Plus, hackathon projects look great on your resume. Anyway, cool. But how do I find hackathon events? Just search online. You might be surprised by the number of hackathons happening locally near you. Whatever. What am I looking at? What is this? What the Wow. I don't know if that was part of the game or not. It felt like we crashed. So I think that's it for today. That was pretty much Learn to Code RPG. I can see the love and labor put into this game, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna make this a series or not. Like, it's sort of fun, but I'm not too sure. I mean, my little brother loves coding. Like, he plays a lot of Roblox, and Roblox has a thing where they teach kids how to actually code. So he might love something like this, but me, I'm not too sure. I might check out the websites in my free time, but for now, that's a wrap. So yeah, it's your boy randomrobo signing out. Love you guys. Peace.